Hello Manisters! Welcome back to my channel! Ayos ba aking outfit? Maganda ba aking hairdo for today? Magka-transform tayo mamaya. Tcharan! Dito ay sa Lazuri Resort sa may Tagaytay. Meron ako event na atinan today. Ang wedding anniversary ng aking sister Fines and my brother-in-law. Ay, nagkulang bilang view dito, maliit lang na resort, overlooking sa Taal Lake. So, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Stay healthy, and birthday ko pala dito guys. Batiin niyo naman ako. Nawala ng boses.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now present you Mr. and Mrs. Maki and Nieva. You might know kiss your locally with like me.
Famous señorita. Para po mga sa Balak College and again, ladies and gentlemen, we have, make some noise. For the first pair, we have Mr. Brian Mercado and Miss Ria Kathleen Lasco. Alright, okay po. Oo, kaibigan niyo po siya. Kailan niyo ba naniligaw sa kanya? O yun, magkaibigan ka lang po. Pero kung malay mo naman, wala namang maganda ka, morena, kutis Pilipina. Parehong hanap, lalaki din ang hanap mo. Baka tayong dalawa talaga. Sa mga naniniwala kami talaga para sa isa't isang pumalakpak. Sa mga nagsasabi, kiss, pumalakpak. Alright, kiss guy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, unang malaman po yan, pero magpapakitang gilas na si Brian and Rhea Catherine Lasco. We have Mr. Brian Mercado and Rhea Catherine Lasco. Ang galing ng lalaki. Oh, God. Walang palapangan dyan.
Anak namin yan! Anak namin yan!
Palapangan dyan, mga kaibigan! Nakuha ko ni Raven. Where is your parents? Okay, taas po yung kamay ko ng bata. Oo, mukhang mayaman na. Gusto mong TikTok baby boy? Do you, ate mo siya? Salamin! Oo, alam mo sumayo ng salamin? You think? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, dancing to the tune of Salamin, we have Raven, Luis Gambao, and Jessa Mariel Patano. Ang ganda yung bata. Kayo ay magkaibigan po? Dito lang nag-meet, pero it seems like you're very close to each other. Do you have any prepared or requested song for your performance, Mr. Christopher? Super bass, okay. Dancing to the tune of boom, 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 boom. Bass! Let's give it up for Christopher and Esther Marie Magpantay. Almost out. Alright! May choreography pa! Alright! Good, Christopher! Everybody put their hands in the air! Ay, ito parang mabait na bata. Kasi may magulang po ng bata ko. Oo, parang ito po magaling mag-aral. Tapos pagka sinabing uwi yan sa school, uuwi ka agad. Tapos pag sinabi mo tanggalin mo yung sinturo mo, tanggalin ka agad. Alright, ano na bang request na dito po?
Maybe this time.
Maybe this time. Bakit maybe this time ang napili mo?
Hindi ko din alam.
Dancing to the tune of Maybe This Time by Sarah Geronimo. Let's give it up for Elpray Magpantay and Larissa Ron Kiambao. Oh my God! I'm so excited! Kaya niyo po? Tita. Kaya yung table dito po. Itong table na to.
Family ko na.
Family niyo po. Ano mo si Doraemon? Kasi kamukha mo si Nobita. Alright, may request ba dito? Jumbo Hotdog! Talagang lalaki na susunod, mabaan pa ka na. Jumbo Hotdog, dance edition of Jumbo Hotdog, we have Carl and Chantal May and Angelique. Ladies and gentlemen, dancing to the tune of Apatir, 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 Alake, Atitir. Let's take it up for Carl Joseph and Jenna Kaluban. Mr. Amabel, ayan, Aguelo and Guillermo Aguelo! Wala na ba sa balang pangan dyan? Hey, hey, hey! Ayan, nakita kalitasan sa pag-ulad, sa pagsilong sa mga basura na nakakalat sa Maynila. Hindi kagaya ni Presidente Estrada na ngurakot sa ating kabahan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, dancing to the tune of Macarena, we have the best man together with our maid of honor! Everybody go! Ang galing naman! Ngayon po, dito naman ho, the beautiful bride Maria Benavides, our Mr. and Mrs. Nueva! Everybody clap your hands in the air! And then spread out tayo pag ganun po lahat. Lahat po ng guest na... Everybody ready? Mag-iisip ma...
Anong sabi mo? Sabi mo?
Ay, andito pala!
Kailangan ubusin ito.
Game na, may makakalimutin. And the next one is the glasses from Bolotsky.
Going to Boracay.
Can you see the brand? I can see the brand.
It's necessary.
According to her, it's a Chanel.
Wow!
It's Chanel. The Chanel. It's like
Yes,
this.
ay bagay. Bagay sa'yo.
See you vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Dahil pupunta sila sa
Thank you for watching. At nila sa akin. See you again in my next vlog. Please subscribe, like, and share. This is from Pines, from the new webs, from the renewed web. Pampabiyot. Meron pa isa. Meron pa lang cash. May pasok na sa wallet.
From?
From Beth and Amable. Sabi si Amable. Yeah. From Beth and Amable. Sinabi mo kay Beth lang pala Amable. Kala ko kay Beth lang. Kailangan ng billing. Ganda si Sex. Next.
Wow, Amazon, no? Kanino galing yan? Yan.
Ayaw ko na kumain. Anong video?
Anong video?
Prime video. Ice cream mo ito.
Galing yan.
Ano to? Subscription ba?
Shopee. Parang Shopee, ma. Parang Shopee.
Shopee. Delivery. Si Mickey Mouse. We are the family of the Mickey Mouse. From the Mickey Mouse to COD. From the recruitment.